Hello friends, welcome to Highway Projects Explained, Hybrid Annuity Model, part of the Concession Agreement Series Part 2. In this video we will step by step understand how highway projects are planned and operated under concession agreements. We will first see scope of project, the overall project area including site details, development works and facilities. Then financial management including project cost, funding structure and cash flows. And toll collection or revenue including user fee, collection system and revenue utilization. The aim of this series is to explain the working of concession agreements to civil engineering professionals and students in clear and practical language. Let's begin. Slide 2. Scope of project, Article 2. In a concession agreement, scope of project is defined under Article 2. It is basically divided into 4 schedules. Schedule A: project site details, land location, boundaries, existing structures, utilities, approvals and clearances. Schedule B: development, road works, structures, toll plazas, drainage, safety items and amenities. Lanes depend on project design. Schedule C: project facilities, service roads, rest areas, bus shelters, truck parking, emergency systems and maintenance service levels. Schedule D: specifications or standards, specifications, safety norms, quality control and performance requirements as per IRC or MoRTH standards. These 4 schedules clearly set the responsibilities of the authority and the concessionaire and make the project practically implementable. Slide 10. Financial structure. The financial structure of the concession agreement is the backbone for project success. Project cost, design, construction, ancillary works, covers design fees, construction, pavement, structures, drainage, toll plazas, and ancillary works. Equity or debt, own investment or bank loans, concessionaire's own investment plus bank loans. Equity milestones and debt drawdown conditions precedent are defined. Viability gap funding, VGF, government support disbursement mechanism is performance linked. Premium, grant provisions. The agreement states premium, grant amount, schedule, escalation formula and default consequences clearly. Outcome. This financial structure clarifies where the money will come from, in what priority it will be used and how risk is allocated. Cash flows become predictable and transparency is maintained. Slide 4. Toll collection or user fee. Toll collection is the core revenue stream of the concession agreement. Toll rate fixation, base year rate and calculation formula defined as per NHV rules. Location and number of toll plazas, pre-approved in the agreement. Annual revision formula, rates revised using an index-linked formula. Ceiling provisions also exist. Use of toll revenue, collected toll revenue goes into the escrow account. Payment priority is defined. O&M, debt servicing, authority share. Outcome. The toll collection framework secures project financial viability, gives comfort to lenders and ensures fairness for users. Slide 5. Revenue sharing or escrow accounts. All revenue collected by the concessionaire is deposited into the escrow account, which is a ring-fenced account. Payment priority, O&M, debt servicing, surplus distribution provides security to lenders. Government share, negative grant calculation. Mechanism: predefined percentage, trigger conditions, payment schedule. Independent engineer monitoring, escrow statements regularly verified. Outcome. The escrow framework and revenue sharing provisions ensure accountability, build lender trust and give transparent reporting to the authority. Slide 6. Accounting, auditing or reporting. Accounting, auditing or reporting provisions enforce financial discipline and transparency. Regular traffic and toll reports. Concessionaire submits regular traffic data, toll collection and O&M activity reports to the authority. Quarterly financial statements and annual audited accounts, mandatory for tracking project performance and compliance. Authority may appoint third-party auditors to verify utilization of funds and adherence to payment priority. Outcome. The accounting, auditing or reporting framework makes project finances transparent and accountable, builds stakeholder trust and mitigates risk. Slide 7. Disputes or penalties. Disputes or penalties provisions are critical for contractual discipline and risk mitigation. Penalties for non-compliance. Penalties apply for non-compliance, delay or quality deficiencies. Termination provisions, termination process, notice periods and compensation principles defined for serious breaches. Arbitration, dispute resolution mechanism, triggered if disputes escalate, governing law, seat, panel composition mentioned in the agreement. Timely settlement, defined timelines help mitigate delays. Outcome, penalties and dispute resolution mechanisms make the concession agreement enforceable, increase accountability and keep project delivery smooth. Slide Art, Role of Independent Engineer. The independent engineer, IEAE, acts as an impartial technical arm bridging the authority and the concessionaire. Review or approval of design submissions. Approves designs as per IRC, MoRTH standards. Monitor construction quality or standards compliance. Monitors quality, material testing and workmanship at site. Certify payments or verify progress. Verifies milestones and certifies payments to the authority. Ensure proper maintenance levels during concession period. Verifies road condition and service levels during O&M phase. Outcome, the active role of the IE safeguards project quality, transparency and accountability. Slide No. Benefits of Concession Agreement, HUM. Benefits of the Hybrid Annuity Model, HUM, Concession Agreement, faster project delivery through private sector participation. Government support plus private participation accelerates delivery. Reduced financial burden on government, 40% during construction, 60% on annuity basis. Public funds can be used for other projects. Improved maintenance and service levels for road users. O&M performance standards are defined. Brings private sector efficiency and innovation into public infrastructure, cost-effective methods, modern construction technologies, digital tolling, etc. innovations. Outcome, the HUM concession agreement model benefits government, lenders and users, faster delivery, reduced financial burden, better service levels. Slide 10, Challenges or Key Issues. Challenges or key issues in the HUM concession agreement. Land acquisition delays impact timelines, project schedule is impacted. Financial closure and funding risks, timely debt arrangement is critical. Compliance with evolving IRC, MoRTH standards. Necessary to follow latest norms. Need for effective dispute resolution and stakeholder coordination. Clear communication and escalation processes minimize delays. Outcome, identifying and managing these challenges upfront helps HUM projects achieve time, cost and quality targets. Slide 11, Key Takeaways. Part 2, Scope of Project Schedules. AD, clarifies site, development, facilities and specifications. Transparent financial structure and toll collection provisions provide revenue predictability. Proper revenue sharing and escrow accounts ensure accountability. Avoid disputes. Audits, penalties and dispute resolution mechanisms built in, safeguard discipline and continuity. Outcome, these key takeaways clarify the critical aspects of HUM concession agreements. Slide 12, Conclusion or Next Steps. Your subscribe call. We now wrap up Concession Agreement Series Part 2. We have step-by-step covered all core aspects of the HUM concession agreement: scope of project, financial structure, toll collection or revenue sharing or escrow accounts, accounting or auditing, disputes or penalties, role of independent engineer, benefits and challenges. From these topics you now have a clear understanding of the working principles of a HUM concession agreement. In the next part we will discuss maintenance standards and performance indicators in detail. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel Civil Engineering Infrastructure and press the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you friends, see you in the next part.